In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install the Slack desktop app on Windows from the official Slack website. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the Slack downloads page on the official Slack website. Going straight to the official page ensures you get the latest, verified version of the app without any extra add-ons. If you're not sure how to find it, a quick search for Slack download will point you to the right place. On the Downloads page, look for the option specifically labeled for Windows and click the Download button. The site usually detects your operating system automatically, so you should see the Windows Desktop app option right away. After you click Download, your browser will begin saving the installer file. If you're prompted to choose a location, select your Downloads folder. If nothing seems to happen, check your browser's Downloads bar or the top right Downloads icon and make sure your browser isn't blocking the file. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and locate the installer. It's typically named something like slacksetup.exe. Double-click the file to start the setup. If Windows asks for permission to make changes to your device, click Yes. This is a normal security prompt. If you're on a work computer with limited permissions, you might need an administrator to approve the install. When the setup wizard appears, follow the on-screen prompts to install the application. Most users can accept the default options. The installer will copy the necessary files and create shortcuts for you. If you're given choices like where to install or whether to create a desktop shortcut, the defaults are usually best unless you have a specific preference. The installation typically takes just a minute or two. After the installation completes, Slack may launch automatically. If it doesn't, open it from your Start menu or desktop shortcut. With the app open, click Sign in to Slack. From there, Slack will guide you through the sign-in process within the app or your browser so you can connect to your workspace. If you work with multiple teams, you'll be able to access those after you've signed in. That's it. You navigated to the Slack Downloads page, downloaded the Windows installer, ran it from your Downloads folder, followed the Setup wizard, and launched Slack to sign in. If anything doesn't look right, try reloading the Downloads page using a different browser or temporarily pausing any download blocking extensions. Once you're signed in, you're ready to start messaging, sharing files, and collaborating in Slack on your Windows computer.